I'm Tim Derr from East Coast Transcommunication Organization, ECTO. I'm here to talk about dowsing rods or L rods. I typically like to use dowsing rods during investigation simply because it's one of my favorite tools and it helps pick up spirit communication. It also helps similar to an EMF detector. Many times when we use these, we use an EMF detector to back up that information. But basically, if you're going to dowse and use L rods, you should understand that it takes a while and not to be patient, not to get frustrated. When you first use L rods, hold them out straight. Don't keep your arms against your body. Hold them out straight and relax. You have to relax. When you first start, they're going to swing around a lot on you. So you have to get used to that, and you have to get used to walking with them. As you walk, they're going to swing a lot. So I would suggest once you get them, you go out in the yard and practice a little so you get to walk with them and they stay steady. Now when you use them, you have to ask direct questions. You can't ask questions that might be an iffy or no or whatever. You have to ask a yes or no. So if you're asking a question, if you're asking is there spirits or is there some entity here with me now, please communicate to me. You've got to give them an area. So if they answer yes, let them know how you want them to answer. A yes might be a crossing of the rods. A no may be no response. Or maybe a presence, have the rods go out. Tell them that. Is there a presence here? Have my dowsing rods cross. And if there's a presence here, they will cross, something like that. And then you put it back and you keep ask those questions. And keep asking them what kind of information you want. But you have to be direct, and remember, you're the dowser. What you're doing is you're connecting, you're becoming one with the energy that's out there. So again, it takes a while, but you're the dowser. The rods are just a conduit for you. So when I typically do it, I hold the rods out, I ask a question, is there spirits in this room with me? If there is, please respond with a yes by crossing rods, and the rods will cross like this type thing. We've had situations where we asked if there was a spirit within the room at that point. Respond by having my rods go out, and the rods have gone out like this. We've picked up energy where we've had in some investigations where the dowsing rods are actually spinning all the way around because of the high energy forces within the area. So similar to EMF, you are detecting that. You can detect the EMF with this. This is what you're doing. You're hooking into that or becoming one with that energy force that's there. But remember, it takes a while. You just have to have patience and relax. No one dowsing method is better than the other. You have to become used to the dowsing rods and have to find out what works best for you. And it just makes practice, and say a little prayer or something prior to dowsing, and ask for permission when you go into a place to dowse. May I dowse in this area? Is it okay to dowse here for your energy? And you'll get the answers that you want. But you have to ask direct, straightforward answers. If you need more information or you would like to comment on this, you can contact us at our website. Thanks a lot.